Leopard mating in bird's nest. We remember the unusual case of a leopard lying in the nest of a hammerkope, cleaning itself. The yellow-black predator among the yellow-black birds in a hutch bird nest. We had never seen anything so special. But that the act of mating occurred a little later because the leopard was not alone in the tree, made the situation even more special. One of the rarely observed leopard pairings, and then in such an extraordinary place. Unbelievable what the Maasai Mara has to offer.